Guys, welcome back to my channel, Uniquely Jazz. My name is Jazz Mari, and in today's video I'm gonna be like your selfies and how to make them look like professional. This is basically how I do them. New to my channel, I make beauty and lifestyle content, and if you're not new, then welcome back to another video. I use the Facetune app, Retouch, and then I would use the smooth tool. I would use this and zoom in on my face and like try to like smooth my face out. And I would just do this like wherever I feel it looks like crusty or whatever. That pink stuff is like where the area and like you can turn it down or turn it up. As you can see, it does make a difference, but I usually like to turn it down a little bit because I don't want it to look like it's like highly edited. The detail tool, and I would like detail my hair and like little stuff like my earrings and my eyes and lips and eyebrows, like whatever I want to pop. Sometimes I would use the glow. This one basically makes your face brighter. After that, then I save it and I will go to the defocus icons, like blurs the background and stuff. So I will hit audio and I will turn it all the way up, and then I will do this also, and it just like blurs the background. And then after that, I will save the picture. Now I will go in my like photos app and I will hit edit, and this is where I go to like change the brightness and stuff. So you can hit audio, it will do it for you, but I just like to do it on my own. So the first one that I would do is expose, and this like makes the picture brighter and stuff, and I will turn it up, but I don't keep it at a specific number. I just turn it up to like how, like whatever I feel comfortable with. And then I will use the balance and I will do the same thing. And then I will use the highlight, and I usually turn it like down because it'll make like my face look washed out. So and then I will use the shadow. And then I will use the contrast and turn it up a little bit because it can look harsh sometimes. And then the brightness, I will turn it up a little bit because the picture is already bright. And then the black point. And then the saturation, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I will turn it up a little bit. And then the warmth. And then the tint, I will turn it up. And the shapeness, I will turn it up. And this will like make it like your picture look high def, like high definition, and like it'll look good. And then after that, I would hit done and it'll save it. And that's pretty much all that I do. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you did, leave a like down below, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media, and I will see you guys on my next video.